Welcome to the State Bar's 2021 Member Recognition Celebration. This is the second year I join you by video, and I'm honored to take part. However, I can tell you I'm already looking forward to next year when I anticipate we'll be together again in person, and I can't wait. This celebration is held each year to recognize members of the bar and other legal professionals for their outstanding service during the last year, or in the case of a few award winners, over the course of their legal careers. Working in the law is a calling, and you have answered the call. Each of the 18 people being formally recognized today has made an impact. They've made the legal system better, not only by representing their clients well, but also through service to others. They've worked as mentors, volunteers, offered pro bono services to people in need of legal assistance. In short, they've made a difference. It has been said, it's how one acts when no one's watching that's the true test of one's character. These recipients have demonstrated true character. Let me give you a few examples. One of this year's award recipients is not only being recognized in Wisconsin, but also nationally by the ABA for her efforts aimed at improving pro bono services in the area of education. Another award winner volunteered to help more than 125 people with unemployment claims during the pandemic. A recent law school grad performed more than 150 hours of pro bono work. Another student managed, on top of going to law school, to volunteer in our public schools while also serving on a number of advisory boards at UW-Madison. Other award winners are being recognized for assisting people who may otherwise not have access to the legal system or access to legal services that they might need. And this year we have 3 judges being recognized for their efforts, including mentoring of other judges, presiding over treatment courts, and establishing county justice coordinating councils. I don't know if you realize this, but judges don't get paid more for these extraordinary efforts. Congratulations, and thank you to the recipients of this year's awards. Wisconsin is a better place because of you, and because of the efforts of many lawyers, judges, and other legal professionals throughout the state. You are the heroes to the people you serve, from the families who may be struggling to hold it together, or those who are in need and they need help to get through difficult legal processes so they can move on with their lives. I don't usually recognize individual award winners by name because each is being recognized in another presentation. But I'm going to pick on someone this year because he's from West Bend. That's where I'm from, and so I know him pretty well. Attorney James Spella is the recipient of the Young Lawyers Division Outstanding Mentor Award. The award pays tribute to a Wisconsin attorney with 6 or more years of practice who has made an exceptional contribution to the life and career of a young attorney. I know that one major concern of new graduates is how and who will mentor them. Sometimes I tell new graduates that they may not formally have one specific mentor, but they should pay close attention to other lawyers and learn what characteristics they wish to emulate. Albert Einstein has said, setting an example is not the main means of influencing others, it is the only means. Jim Spella has set a good example. Listen to what some of the people who nominated him had to say about his influence. He's a great mentor, a fair boss, and a fantastic attorney. The life lessons that we have learned from him through the practice of law have made us who we are as lawyers, as people, and as contributing members in our community. That's well-deserved praise, and it demonstrates that Jim's commitment to the practice of law goes well beyond his clients. He has also lived up to the spirit of those words, particularly as it relates to contributing to his community. Jim serves or has served in a number of leadership roles for organizations that have made West Bend a stronger community. We will be doing well if we're contributing maybe a fraction of what Jim has done over the years. And on top of it all, he's a heck of a nice guy. Listen to what was not said at the nomination. Some of his close friends report that Jim is such a great lawyer, he has even used his legal skills in the middle of a golf round. As I understand the story, Quite a few years ago, Jim was golfing with close friends, and on one hole, which runs along a road, Jim hit a real banana slice. The ball bounced off the curb and hit a passing car. The car seemed to continue on the way, so Jim thought his ball must have missed it. As they were headed to the 18 tee box, the foursome could see a golf cart headed toward them from the clubhouse. Jim started to get a little nervous as the angry man approached. While his non-lawyer friends jokingly advised him to say that his name was another prominent lawyer in the area, Bill Alderson, Jim instead confessed to the errant shot, pulled out his wallet, and all was right again. Having now given you something to rib Jim about when you see him, I'll end by congratulating and thanking each of our award winners. You have benefited not just those you serve, but your work also reflects positively on the profession as a whole. You are definitely making a difference, and we all appreciate each of you. In a word, outstanding.